How's it going today? I hope everybody's having a fabulous day. My day is going pretty good in spite of some things. It's going pretty good. Thank you, Lord. My friend said, Rosalind, you be nervous on those videos. You need to have you a drink, girl. So you know what? I am going to have a little bit of Moscato today, and I'm going to see how that works. I'm not a big drinker, but I do like some Moscato every now and again. And hopefully I don't burn nothing in the process. But today I will be making a dessert. My youngest son asked for a orange creamsicle type cake. So I'm going to make some vanilla orange cupcakes, and I'm going to put some cream cheese icing on top and some garnish. And I'm going to add a little bit of that intense dark chocolate orange flavor shavings on top. So stand by and see what I come up with. All right, for my batter, I am using 1 box of vanilla cake mix, 1/2 cup of self-rising flour, 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 1/4 cup of reduced fat milk. I used 1/3 cup of canola oil, or you can use veggie oil, plus I used an additional 1/8 cup of oil. 1 teaspoon of clear vanilla flavoring and 1 teaspoon of orange extract, and I added in 4 eggs. Now I'm about to blend this, and if I missed anything, all the ingredients will be in the description. All right, we're going to blend on low speed for 30 seconds, and then we're going to turn it to medium speed and do that for 2 minutes. I added in about 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest. If you guys can see it, I'm going to stir on low for another 30 seconds, and we're going to be ready to put these in the cupcake pan. I added extra ingredients to this mixture so I can have enough to make a mini bundt cake. All right. Okay, our batter is ready to go in the cupcake pan and the bundt pan. Okay, I filled my cupcake holders up. Hopefully I didn't put too much in there. I have a bad habit of overfilling it, then the batter spreads everywhere, so we'll see how these come out. Then I'm going to add batter into my bundt cake can. My bundt cake pan. My cupcakes in the oven. I'm going to cook them for about 16 to 19 minutes on 350. Okay, I added the remaining batter to my bundt cake pan. It's a little bundt cake pan. It's not big. And when I tell you guys, this batter is the bomb. Oh my God, it tastes just like an orange creamsicle. All right, let's get this in the oven. All right, I have our bundt cake in the oven. It's not really a bundt, it's a mini bundt cake pan, but I'm gonna cook this for about 35 minutes for starters. I've never made it before, so I'm kind of gauging it, and I'm cooking it on 325. Look how nicely these are rising. Okay, our cake is ready. Gonna let it cool, invert it onto a plate, and then frost it. Okay, our cake came out pretty good. Look at that, looks nice. And here's our cupcakes. I ate one of those cupcakes. I had to test it out, and you know what? It was yummy. Can't wait to frost it. Okay, I have a 3-ounce package of orange jello mix, and I took 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice and 2/3 cup of cold water, and I'm going to use 1 cup of boiling water. I'm going to put it into the jello powder, and I'm going to stir it with a whisk. And I've poked holes into my cake and into my cupcakes over here, and I'm going to pour that jello mixture on top. I poked holes and poured my jello mixture over my cake. Now I'm going to put my cake in the refrigerator for about an hour or so. I have I'm going to fill my bag with some jello mixture and pour it inside of each cupcake, as you can see. Okay, I poked holes in it with a toothpick, with one of those long toothpicks. I poked holes into the cake, and I poured about 1/4 cup of jello, 1/8 to 1/4 cup of jello around, and then I took that core with the bag, and I punched about 6 holes, if you can see, 1 in the center and 5 around, and I put about 1/2 tablespoon of jello in each one of those holes. And I also have poured all of my cupcakes, and I put about 1/2 tablespoon of the jello mixture in the center of each cupcake. Now I'm going to put these in the refrigerator and let them cool for about an hour. Okay, I'm about to make the frosting for the cake and for the cupcakes. I've utilized 1 stick of unsalted butter, some cream cheese, 1 8-ounce packet, and that's some orange zest in there, and I'm going to blend it. I put 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring and 1/2 teaspoon of orange flavoring. So I'm going to mix this up, add my powdered sugar, 4 cups, and then frost the cupcakes. All right, here's my frosting, and when I tell you guys, and I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but it is the bomb. It tastes just like an orange dreamsicle. Wish y'all could taste it. Okay, you guys, here is my cake. I think I did a great job. I've never decorated a cake like this, and I'm very proud of it. Here are my wonderful looking cupcakes, and they taste wonderful. That cream cheese icing is the bomb. And I have this intense dark chocolate. It's orange flavored. I mean, all these flavors just mesh together. I wish you guys could taste it. Look at that. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I look a hot mess because I've been here cooking, and I gave the cake to my son, so I wanted to at least eat the cupcake. See how it is. See that? Oh, it's very spongy and good. Okay. Yeah. Look at the orange in the middle. It's good. Okay. And this is intense. Dark chocolate. Everything is just good. All right. Hope you guys try this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe.